My name is George. I recently was diagnosed with like severe neck damage in my neck um, from a car accident I had a little bit over a year ago. And I was desperately looking for stem cell treatment. And I was contacting places even in Mexico and Colombia and even Panama. And I stumbled across this company, and I've realized that they do spine work and neck work and pretty much everything you could think of. And then I went here, got the treatment, and it was phenomenal results. Everything was seamless, apparently. So, like, as I was going through the whole thing, there's always somebody to guide you along the path. And as I was going through each step, everybody was willing to answer any questions. They even have asking for documentations, photos, and videos, and proof of legitimacy to show that I could submit towards legal representation that I have with attorneys for my situation. But they're willing to have a translator with you every step of the way. They're even willing to send people to come to your home and take care of any needs that you may need. Even do room accommodations, travel. They set up everything for you. It's very seamless. Going even to the hospital visit, they meet you up before you even enter the facility. And as you're even in the facility, even the doctor will speak to you in person and step by step what's going to happen, so there's no confusion. And like I have like a very nervous personality when it comes to things, and they take away all that nervousness you'll feel. It's a lot less painful than one would think, and even a lot less painful than actual surgery, and much cheaper than actual surgery. I would highly recommend it, and check these guys out for sure.